Yo, welcome to day 36. Today is November 29th. The plan for today is I'm gonna go to the gym, go to work, come back, then go for a run. Today in the gym, I want to hit shoulders, but right now I'm about to eat breakfast. I have 4 eggs and some pineapple before the gym. Shit, it looks good. It looks good. I'm gonna get this down and then I'm gonna meet you in the gym. Hold on, before I meet you in the gym, bro, this pineapple is good. Oh my god. This pineapple is amazing. Alright, so we're in this bitch, we're in the gym right now. I usually start off with shoulder presses and lateral raises, but there's a bunch of people there, so I'm gonna just work backwards. We're gonna hit the front delt and the rear delt first. I usually do it last, but fuck it, we're gonna do it first. That's 15 reps on both arms. The weight was 7.5. Now I'm gonna go up. Going up to 10 pounds, nothing too crazy. Then from 10, I go up to 12. 15 reps on both. Now, go up to 12. I warmed up differently today, bro, and my shoulders feel amazing, bro. Instead of just using the band and shit, I came here and I did what I did on the band right here on this machine. And also, I used the rope thing, whatever the fuck you call it. And I was just going like that, using the rope. And bro, the burn in my shoulder was just amazing. So I'm definitely gonna do that shit more often. Cause bro, my shoulders just feel fucking amazing right now. Ooh, this shit is much heavier. Okay, it don't matter. Let's eat. 15 reps on both. I'm gonna go up again. These are good 15 reps. I'm just not doing 15 reps to do 15 reps. And bro, I'm really feeling this shit, bro. This shit feels good. I'm feeling that burn in the muscle, and I feel like I'm actually working the muscle. I feel the muscle contract and everything, bro. So recently, I've been focused on my sleep, and honestly, bro, I do not regret it. Like, sleep is one of the most important things. To be honest, it is the most important thing. Since I've been getting proper rest at a minimum of 8 hours, bro, I feel good, bro. I don't have headaches. I don't need naps during the day. Bro, I just feel fucking good, bro. My body gets up earlier than 8 hours. I go right back to sleep because I don't know. Sometimes I wake up energized and then throughout the day I'll be tired. But it could also be other shit that's waking me up. Like in my house, they be mad loud. Alright, so the weight right now is 15 pounds. I don't know how much I'm gonna get, bro. I never did this weight before, bro. Fuck it. Nine reps on both. Felt good. I'm telling you, I sleep, bro. I feel amazing right now. I'm moving on to hit the rear though. I'm gonna start off with 7.5. This is vlogging shit. It's getting easier and easier. I say that because like once you take that initial step to start, that's really the hardest part. And then from there it's just momentum. You just gotta keep that momentum. Do it every single day just to keep that momentum. And then it becomes a routine. You're already used to it. So you can't really go back to how you were. I'm gonna drop the weight to 5 pounds. I don't know why 7.5 for my head. 16 reps on both hands. It doesn't feel as good as it does on the left hand, on the left arm, I mean. I'll make sure I'm doing exactly the same on both sides. 16 on both sides. I'm starting to feel it the same on both sides. Feels good. It's just the way that I'm positioned. I went up to 7.5 to make it more difficult. I don't know about y'all, but bro, gym is therapeutic for me. Just when I'm in here, bro, it's just me and the weights, just connecting with my body, bro. I love it. That was a long ass rep, bro. 11 on both sides. Feels good. Feeling the muscle contract, bro. Ain't nothing to complain about. The only thing I could do is add more weight, but I think me at 11 reps right there is good. Alright, last set, let's hit this shit. I'm gonna start out with the right this time. With the left, that shit was mad hard. Moving on to the next exercise. Starting it off with 17.5. With 20 reps. There's no 20s, I'm moving up to 22.5. Twenty reps, moving up to 25. – 14 reps. I'm gonna just stay at that weight. 12 reps, moving on to shoulder presses. I'm gonna start off with 30 pounds and then just go from there. – 14 reps, going up to 35. Then try to go for 11, but I got stuck. I'm gonna go up to 40. Eight reps. Seven reps. That was the last set and the last exercise of the workout. Right now I'm about to go to work, so I'm gonna see ya at the crib when I come back from work. But I just got back home from work and shop right now. Got some chips, chicken, broccoli, and potatoes. I was gonna make like roasted potatoes and shit, but I'm not about to do that. I'm gonna just make mashed potatoes. Put these shits to boil. When they're finished, just mash them. I'm gonna eat some of these while I'm cooking these because I'm fucking starving. I'm gonna eat a banana. I'm starving, bro. Alright, the banana's down. No more eating till the food's done. I'm gonna just give y'all a quick update real quick. I got the mashed potatoes right here. The chicken right here. And got the broccoli steaming. So that should be done in no time. Got my food right here. Just finished cooking up. Got chicken, mashed potatoes with some broccoli. I'm about to demolish this. Let me know if y'all want to see me make this. I'll show y'all the recipe step by step. You just gotta let me know down in the comments. Just finished up in the kitchen, put all the food away, washed all the dishes, and it's about to be 11. Right now, I gotta start editing and finish the video and get it up as fast as possible. The video has to get up, and I'm also gonna eat a couple chips. I'm gonna just count that as 3 servings because I did eat a lot of chips, so I'm gonna just say 3 servings to be safe. Alright, so I'm still editing, and I'm gonna eat again, bro. I gotta eat if I wanna fucking progress in what I wanna do. If I wanna gain muscle, I have to eat. I have to hit that protein goal. I have to eat those calories. Alright, I served up my food. Essentially the same thing. I added avocado. Listen, I'm Dominican. We add avocado on fucking everything. So just let me be. I want an avocado, and I'm gonna eat some fucking avocado. Don't fucking bully me. I'm gonna get this down. And if someone says something about the fucking avocado, finish my food. Clean plate. I really want some more pineapple. Yeah, pineapple never hurt nobody, right? People choose Oreos over this, bro. That's crazy. People choose Oreos, cookies, fucking all those candies over natural fruit, bro, which is crazy to me. I'm not saying I won't eat a cookie. I'm not saying that. There's some people that really don't eat any fruit. And that's crazy to me because this is the best thing for you. I just finished editing and I even uploaded the video. As you can see, the video is up. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna read before I head to bed. So I'm gonna just shower real quick. Someone's in the bathroom, so I can't shower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just read the book now. 20 minutes. I think 15 minutes is way too short, so I'm gonna just do 20. I know it's been 20 minutes, but I don't know when the computer screen turned off. Because I don't like to look at the time because then I lose focus. I like to stay locked in on what I'm doing. I don't like to look at the time like, oh, I got this much time left. I don't like rushing shit. Like when I'm reading this book, I want to take my time, bro. I want to enjoy it. I got to page 28, so I read 10 pages. Nine or 10. It's a good book. I look forward to reading it. I want to read more than 20 minutes. I just want to start reading chapters now. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna read tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. It was a good day. I feel good about this day, but I wanna have a better day tomorrow. So I'm gonna work towards that. Make sure you subscribe with post notifications on so every time that I post you get notified. Like the video if you like the video. Share this shit with your friends, man. Show them what we doing. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. And the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that. Cause this shit is every fucking day. This shit does not stop. Alright? I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.